welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys asked, I will be doing the boyfriend does my makeup challenge. So if you guys have not been following me, this is my boyfriend Alan. This is actually the first time that I have him on my channel. What are you going to be doing today?
I thought I'm doing your makeup.
Yeah, but do you know like what kind of look you're going to be doing?
You're supposed to be telling me what kind of look, right?
Why don't you just do like an everyday type of look on me?
What about a dramatic look? I'm like...
Oh, expert.
You know how girls
over
be
here.
asking for dramatic makeup and shit?
Oh,
I'll just do like a basic, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do like a bronzed goddess look.
Alright.
Because I'm a goddess. So I have everything picked out for Alan. I just don't know the difference between what is what. So I have everything laid out for Alan and he's just gonna kind of do whatever. I'm just gonna sit here and watch him do my makeup. So I am gonna try to help him a little bit just because he doesn't really know too much about makeup. And I know that's kind of like cheating, but...
Well, you're not supposed to tell me, right? Or
yeah, I'm not supposed to tell you, but like... obviously you're gonna need help. You guys,
so don't you start off with like...
let's get started.
So we just use any brush?
Yeah, you can use any brush you want.
Any brush?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I'm thinking...
So we're using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette.
Alright, so I'm gonna do... talk derby to me.
Okay.
Yeah. The purple. So
If you want to show them.
Right. Can't really see. Is it focusing? Just... Alright.
You want me to face you?
No, you're cool. Oh, dude, this is black. Oh no, wait, hold up. Like, I know.
Like if we were going on a date, like that's how I want you to like make my makeup. Like,
it's gonna bring out like the inner artiste. Black, isn't it supposed to be like purple? This has glitter on it.
Well, colors can be very deceiving.
I see you do your eyes and you're like stroke. You do like this or whatever.
Okay.
I don't know. Can I mix colors?
Yeah.
So like, I just got. It's falling all over your face.
Oh, it's okay. We'll clean it up.
Look at me.
Push it on.
It's supposed to be purple. Why is it black?
You want to start again?
Yeah,
Or
I gotta go with a, no.
Oh my god, there's just so much going on in this video.
I think we gotta go with another color. I don't like that.
Okay,
I don't like that color.
let's wipe it off.
Can I use the same brush?
If you want.
But do I have to clean it?
No. You just wipe it off.
Bellini. Oh, okay. Alright, I like it already.
Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright. We're getting somewhere.
Baby, I think you're supposed to prime my eyes first.
Prime?
Prime my eyes with some concealer. So that there's like a base.
No, dude, I was supposed to do that.
Okay, I'll let you blend it out.
I don't like do a stroke or anything, just pat.
You can stroke if you want, yeah. What? What are you laughing at? Does it look horrible?
No.
What?
What you said earlier. Okay, look. Like, does it look cool?
Here,
Oh,
let me
shit.
see.
Dude, you're not supposed to be doing that.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to help you out because you don't know what you're doing. This is the only thing I'm going to help him with, you guys, because you be out here trying to fucking stab my whole eye and shit. Eyes are primed.
Dude, there's like so much on there. Look at me. I think I put too much right there. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, shit. Alright. Gotcha. Let me see. Look at me. Oh, I see what's going on. Put too much pressure or like...
No,
like poking
it's
your
okay.
eye or whatever.
Earlier you were poking my eye, but you're not poking my eye now.
Let's see. Oh, damn. Wait a second.
Let me see.
What should we add to that? Like blue, like I think blue would be cool. Give me this. Let me see.
Blue.
Dude,
Okay.
I'm feeling some blue right now.
Thought we were going natural.
I want to step this up a bit.
Okay.
Bro. Oh, snap. Yeah, look at that. Wait, don't look. Don't
Okay,
look.
okay, I'm not gonna look.
Let me. We gotta blend it.
Ow.
Oh, sorry.
Let me see. I think you should use a blending brush. Bro, he's trying to freaking poke my eye with the brush.
Oh, so you use this one to blend.
Yes.
What do I do next? Your eyebrows?
Are you done with the eyes? Like that's it for the eyes?
Should I layer it? Dude, I think I should put like some purple in there too.
What is up with you in the color purple?
So this is like the applicator brush then you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
And then, let me see if I can just put some purple in there. That's crazy, dude. It's like multicolor when you fucking. Yes. Bruh.
Wow.
Yes. Look at that. Look at that.
That
Alright.
looks amazing.
Look at how good that looks. Man, I'm surprised. On the eyebrow?
Yeah.
Ah, I see what's going on here.
Ow.
I'm sorry. Ooh. Yeah, this don't be making any sense, bro. I think I got like some colors wrong or something. Alright, so anyway. So we just kind of like brush it with it or what? Whoa, dude. Why would you use this?
Like tinting the brows.
Bro, look at that. Look at that. Let me see. Can I just do that? Like just to get some of this stuff off or what? Oh my god. Alright.
Okay, now we're gonna do eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Yeah, you have to do lashes. Put it on. Like where my eyelashes are.
Come here. What are you backing up for?
Scared.
I gotta stand up for this.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Alright, bruh. Do I have to like keep it there or let it dry? Like what's up?
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Did I have a miss?
It's not even on my eye.
Oh, shit. What you mean? Of your eyelashes. Is that where it needs to go?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I hella fucked that shit up. Oh, I see where I need to go. Ah, right there. I think that's better. Let's try that out. Yes. Yes, look at that.
All right. Good job. Okay.
Oh, it's getting there. No wonder you take hours to get ready, bro. This is freaking ridiculous. Alright, so. Does my hands feel rough?
Yeah.
Well, I work with my hands all day, every day. Hands are so dry.
I can tell.
Yeah, it's probably like sandpaper on your face right now.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks good, man. It looks good. Alright, primer.
Yeah.
Man, this is just like a car, man. You start off with the freaking base first and primer. What else?
So this is the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer.
Am I putting too much? Like, what's up?
No, it's good.
Gold.
The Morphe Y6 brush.
So I just blend?
Yeah.
Oh, I got some on your lip. It's coming out good, man.
That look good?
Hell yeah, this shit look good.
Like we could go out after this?
Yeah, right. We could go out.
Okay.
Look at
That
that.
looks good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
You did that.
Concealer, 2 concealer. Oh shit. Wait, hold on. I gotta switch up. Is this supposed to be like that? Like straight up?
Well. Baby, don't poke my eye.
I'm not. Chill.
Oh my god.
Why does it look like that? It's like getting lighter on these areas. You have to come back.
Cause it's lighter.
I see where this is going, bro. Don't worry, Ryan. Poking your eye.
Dude, you're like getting concealer on my eyelash.
Oh yeah. It's like white now.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it looks better now.
Is this how my makeup looks?
Yep.
This is how you see me do my makeup?
Fire, man. Fuego.
You gonna do red?
Yep.
Okay.
We gonna make this shit pop. We popping, girl. Oh, I like that. I like that.
You like this color?
Yeah. This colorway is dope. I don't know. Am I supposed to put like some curves in there or what? Like,
Why do my lips look sharp?
what you mean sharp?
Like I have like 2 horns right here.
There you go.
Yeah, you go like around to clean it.
So do I like, you know? Dude, how do I get that shit off? It's getting better now. Like that.
Yeah,
Huh?
that looks good.
That looks hella good, huh? Yes.
Cool.
Set. Do we set it up? Is that what it means?
No.
It says do we set. Do we set?
Okay.
We set it? Is that what it meant? Alright. So what? Do I just spray
Yeah,
you?
you just spray it, but kind of do it a little far.
Oh shit. Okay.
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 Wow.
Yeah, how does it look?
This is Alan's creation, you
Oh,
guys.
it's
Alright, you guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like videos with Alan, please give this video a thumbs up. Alright,
my
you guys.
stuff right there. You know, if you guys think it's good, holla at your boy.
Alright, we'll see
Alright.
you in my next video.
See you later.